We are in Oulu in landscape gardening, and here with me is Katja Pesonen, who has made the design for this competition. In this competition, we wanted to renew the way how the design has been done. In past years, the design in Taitaja, in Skills Finland, the design has always been done by professionals. Now we wanted to make a competition in schools which teach landscape design and gave them a competition to make the design for this Taitaja Oulu. So we had 7 drawings, and we chose this drawing, and it was anonymous. We didn't know who made it. Then we opened the name, and here was Katja Pesonen. And Katja Pesonen was the competitor in Calgary 2009 World Skills. So Katja, how is it different to be a designer than a competitor?
Siis suunnittelijahan niinku suunnittelee, ei se niinku rakenna, mutta täytyyhän niinku suunnittelijan tietää niinku rakentamisesta jotain, että hän voi suunnitella.
Okay, Katja says it's good that the designer also knows how to build it, and I totally agree on that. That was one of the reasons why it was chosen. And do you think it's interesting to see how the competitors are now building your job? Do you think it's also a little bit frustrating sometimes?
Se ehkä vähän turhauttavaa katsoa, että miksei ne nyt tee sitä niin kuin se on siinä suunnitelmassa, mutta kyllä se on sitten niin kuin hyvä nähdä se, että se pomppaa 3D:nä esiin sitten se suunnitelma sieltä.
Okay, Katja says that it's very interesting to see how they are making the work, and also maybe a little bit frustrating to see the problems and maybe some mistakes what they are making. But Katja also said that it's very interesting to see it growing 3D from the picture.